We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello students, today we will discuss about the aromaticity, and here is the definition of aromaticity. That is, aromatic compounds such as benzenes are more stable than suggested from their structures. They undergo reactions which retain the aromatic ring system and behave differently from alkenes and polyenes. And to define that, we have the Hucker rule, and that states that aromatic compounds are cyclic and planar with sp2 hybridized atoms. They always obey the Walker rule and have the 4n plus 2 pi electrons, where n is equal to 1 to 3 natural numbers. Aromatic systems can be monocyclic or polycyclic, neutral or charged. And here the student have to understand the sp2 hybridization structures for the aromaticity. Again, if we extrapolate the and elaborate the definition of the aromatic, the term aromatic was originally applied to benzene-like structures because of the distinctive aroma of these compounds, but the term now means something different in the modern chemistry. Aromatic compounds undergo distinctive reactions which set them apart from other functional groups. They are highly unsaturated compounds, but unlikely to that alkenes and alkynes, they are relatively unreactive and will tend to undergo reactions which involve the retention of their unsaturations. And this is a structure basically is a representation of benzene. How we can draw the structure? We can either draw 3 lines in that one hexagonal uh, design, or we can draw a circle inside that hexagon. The rule states that an aromatic molecule must be cyclic and planar with sp2 hybridized atoms, but it must also obey what is known as the Hucker rule. And this rule states that the ring system must have 4n plus 2 pi electrons, and where n is equal to 1 to 3 etc. Therefore, ring systems which have 6, 10, 14 pi electrons are aromatic. Benzene fits the Hucker rule since it has 6 pi electrons. Cyclooctatetraene has 8 pi electrons and does not obey the Hucker rule. So these are the other representation of aromatic compounds. A is a cyclooctatetraene and B is 18-membered aromatic ring. And it is also possible to get the aromatic ions, the cyclopentadienyl anion and cycloheptatetraene cation, and are aromatic. Both are aromatic, as we can see over here. We have the other compounds too, that is naphthalene, anthracene, and benzo apyrene, and these are the polycyclic aromatic compounds. Now, second thing we want to discuss about the preparation and properties of the different aromatic structures such as benzene, toluene, and naphthalene, which are isolated from natural resources and converted to more complex aromatic structures. They have the properties like characteristic aroma and burn with a smoky flame. They are non-polar, hydrophobic in nature, which dissolve in organic solvent rather than water. They undergo the electrophilic substitution reactions in most common type of reaction. However, reduction is also possible. In the preparation, it is not practical to synthesize aromatic structures in laboratory. From scratch, or most aromatic compounds are prepared from benzene or other simple aromatic compounds, like for example, toluene and naphthalene. These in turn are isolated from natural resources such as coal or petroleum. Properties: many aromatic compounds have a characteristic aroma and will burn with a smoking flame, as we already discussed. They are hydrophobic, non-polar in nature, which dissolve in organic solvents. However, induced dipole momenta are also possible with alkyl ammonium ions and metal ions, which where the positive charge of the cation induces the dipole in the aromatic ring, such as the phase of the ring is slightly negative and edge. This results in the cation being sandwiched between the two aromatic rings. This is the representation of that how the induced dipole interaction, van der Waal interaction take place, and these type of interactions are the distance bond, and compared to ionic and covalent bond, this type of interaction are very different in characteristic. Next thing is the electrophilic substitution of the benzene ring. And what is the definition for that? The electrophilic substitution involves the substitution of the one electrophile, a proton from the aromatic ring, with the another electrophile. The aromatic ring remains intact. What is the mechanism? Mechanism of electrophilic substitution involves the two stages. In stage 1, the aromatic ring uses two of these pi electron to form a bond to the file, which results in a positively charged intermediate. In stage 2, a proton is lost from the ring and the electrons of the broken CH bond are used to reform the pi bonds and restore aromaticity. Intermediate stabilizations in electrophilic substitution is aided by the fact that the positively charged intermediate is stabilized by resonance, results in the delocalization of positive charge, and since the intermediate is stabilized, uh, the reaction takes place more readily. Halogenations: benzene can also be undergo halogenations with chlorine and bromine. In Lewis acids such as uh, ferric bromide and ferric chloride is required in order to activate the halogen and make it more electrophilic. Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. Alkyl chains are linked to benzene by uh, Friedel-Crafts alkylation using an alkyl chloride and a Lewis acid. The Lewis acid is important in generating a carbocation which acts as an electrophile for the reaction. Primary alkyl chlorides are not ideal for Friedel-Crafts reactions since the primary carbocations generated can rearrange to more stable secondary or tertiary carbocations. Sulfonation and nitrations. Benzene is sulfonated with a concentrated sulfuric acid. The reaction involves the generation of sulfur trioxide, which acts as an electrophile. Nitration is carried out using a concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid. The sulfuric acid is present as an acid catalyst in the generation of electrophilic nitronium ion. Both electrophiles in these reactions are strong and Lewis acid is not required. So first we will see about the definition of the electrophilic substitution in a more elaborate way. In that the aromatic rings undergo electrophilic substitutions. For example, the bromination of benzene. The reaction involves the electrophile, that is Br plus, replacing another electrophile H plus with the aromatic ring remaining intact. Therefore, one electrophile replaces another and the reaction is known as the electrophilic substitution. And here is the best example for that. The mechanism involves the formation of intermediate that is shown over here, and how that in step 1 and step 2 with the final formation of product take place. These are the examples of other electrophiles used in electrophilic substitution reactions. In intermediate stabilization, the resonance stabilization will take place of the charged intermediate, and this will undergo further the resonance step. Resonance process involves the 2 pi electrons shifting their positions around the ring to provide the top carbon with a fourth bond, and neutralizes its positive charge. In this process, another carbon in the ring is left short of the bonds and gains the positive charge. Halogenations, the stable aromatic ring means the aromatic compounds are less reactive than alkenes to electrophiles. So for example, an alkene will react with bromine, whereas in aromatic ring will not. Therefore, we have to activate the aromatic ring. For example, make it a beta nucleophile, or activate the bromine water, make it a beta electrophile. If we want a reaction to occur, so here we are using the Lewis acid such as ferric chloride, ferrobromide, and aluminum chloride to the reaction medium. So this is how the reaction mechanism can be influenced by the Lewis acids that activates bromine towards electrophilic substitution. Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylations. In that there are two other examples of electrophilic substitution requiring the presence of a Lewis acids, and are particularly important because they allow the construction of larger organic molecules by adding alkyl or acyl side chains to the aromatic ring. And this is the one typical illustrations of Friedel-Crafts alkylations, that is A, Friedel-Crafts acylation, that is B. And in figure 7 and figure 8, that is figure 7, the Friedel-Crafts reaction of benzene with the 2-chloropropane take place. In that the mechanism is formation of carbocation, and this is a mechanism for the Friedel-Crafts alkylations. Figure number 10, this is a figure Friedel-Crafts reactions of 1-chlorobutane with benzene, and that involves the hydride shift. Synthesis of 1-butyl benzene by Friedel-Crafts acylations and reduction. Generation of acylium ion, that is figure 13. In figure 14, Friedel-Crafts alkylations of benzene with an alkene take place. Friedel-Crafts alkylation of benzene with an alcohol. Sulfonation and nitrations, and these are the electrophilic substitution reactions too, which involve stronger electrophiles and do not need the presence of Lewis acid, and that is the main thing involved in that. Well, these are the typical example of sulfonation of benzene and nitration of benzene. In that, generation of sulfur trioxide is there. In case of sulfuric acid is there, and that involves the sulfonation of benzene, that is figure number 18. Generation of nitronium ion in case of nitration, and that is the figure number 20. Nitration of benzene. Synthesis of mono substituted benzenes. So these are the key notes. Functional group transformations. Many functional groups cannot add directly to the aromatic ring by electrophilic substitution, but can be obtained by converting functional groups already added. An amino group can be obtained by reduction of a nitro group, then converted to a larger range of the other functional groups. Alkyl groups can be oxidized to an carboxylic acid group, which can in turn be converted to other functional groups. Synthetic planning. When planning the synthesis of an aromatic compound, it is best to work backwards from the product in the simple stages. Retrosynthesis. If the substituent present cannot be added directly to the aromatic ring, it is best to consider that what type of functional group could be transformed to give the desired substituent. So these are the functional group transformations and their importance in aromatic chemistry. Synthetic planning. So first we have to consider the possible synthesis of aromatic ester, that is figure number 2. And from that the possible synthetic groups of the aromatic amine has to be deduced. And this involves the possible synthetic route to the aromatic ether. Next thing is the electrophilic substitution of mono-substituted aromatic rings. In that, the key notes includes ortho, meta, and para substitution. That is, the electrophilic substitution can occur at 3 different positions on a mono-substituted aromatic rings. These positions are defined as ortho, meta, and para. The next key notes topic that involves the substituent effect, and that the substituents on the aromatic ring can activate or deactivate the ring towards the further electrophilic substitution. They can also direct substitution either to the meta position or to the ortho and para positions. Inductive and resonance effects determine the directing effect. Substituents can be divided into 4 groups depending on whether they are activating or deactivating and on their directing effect. Reaction profile. The first step of electrophilic substitution determining step. The easy with which electrophilic substitution takes place is determined by the activation energy of this step, which depends on the stability of the transition state. The transition state resembles the carbocation intermediate, and the so factors stabilizing the carbocation also stabilizes the transition state and lowers the activation energy. Activating groups inductive directing, deactivating group inductive directing, activating groups resonance directing. These are the other possible mechanisms. Deactivating group resonance directing. Ortho, meta, and para substitution. So in figure number 1, the reaction between the toluene and the ferric bromide takes place in the presence of bromine water. And here we have the 3 possible products are there, that is ortho, meta, and para directed in possible isomers of bromotoluene. So substitution effect, we can classify the substituent in the 4 groups depending on the effect they have on the rate and the position of the substitution, and that is activating group which direct ortho and para by inductive effects, deactivating groups which direct meta by inductive effects, activating group which direct the ortho para by resonance effect, and deactivating groups which direct ortho para by resonance effects. There are no substituents which activate the ring and direct meta. So ortho substitution, this is a possible mechanism. Same for the meta substitution and para substitution. These are the mechanisms for that. Reaction profile, ortho para directing, and this is the diagram for the energy for the reaction electrophilic substitution, and how the transitions take place with the difference in Gibbs free energy with comparison to ortho intermediates, meta intermediate, and para intermediate. The second thing is the nitration of the toluene. In that electron withdrawing groups formation take place. Bromination of nitrobenzene, that involves the destabilizing resonance structures for the intermediate arising from the ortho and para substitution. Activating groups that nitration of phenols take place. In that resonance structures for the intermediates arising from ortho and para substitution take place. Resonance interaction between the aromatic ring and the oxygen. amide resonance, bromination of aniline, synthesis of para-bromoaniline, nitration of bromobenzene, and crucial resonance structures for ortho and para positions, substitution, resonance interaction involving bromine, synthesis of di and tri substitution benzene. That is, these are the keynotes. These are the synthetic planning of di substituted benzene, synthesis of meta-toluidine, synthesis of para-nitrobenzoic acid, removal of substituents. These are the reactions which remove the substituent from the aromatic ring. Synthesis of 1,3,5 tribromobenzene. Possible synthetic group for to ortho bromobenzene. Synthesis of ortho bromotoluene. Oxidation and reduction reactions. These are the keynotes for that. What is the oxidation? What is the reduction? Oxidation involves the oxidation of alkyl side chain to the aromatic carbonyl acids. Reduction involves the reduction of benzene to cyclohexene and reduction of aromatic ketones. Thank you. This is the end of the lecture.